The simulation shows the oscillation performed by a body attached to the free end of a horizontal spring. In the help section, the detailed theory of the simulation is mentioned. The parameter A indicates the amplitude of the oscillation. The parameter phi0 indicates the initial phase of the oscillation. The parameter K denotes the spring constant. The parameter M denotes the mass of the object. The parameter SR, simulation rate, denotes the rate of the motion simulation. We observe the oscillation performed by a body attached to the free end of a horizontal spring. In the results table, the equations and values displayed include the angular frequency, the displacement of the body, the maximum velocity, and also the velocity, the maximum acceleration and also the acceleration, the force exerted by the spring on the body, the kinetic energy of the body, the potential energy of the spring, and the total energy of the spring body system. The graph shows the graphical representations of displacement of the body, velocity of the body, acceleration of the body, kinetic energy of the body, potential energy of the spring, and all of this plotted against time. We can interrupt the motion. We can hide the vector quantities of the phenomenon. We can hide the results table. We can hide all the graphical representations or whichever we desire. We reset the simulation to its initial environment. We can choose various combinations of parameters and study the simulation. Finally, in the problems section, problems corresponding to the simulation are proposed. You can solve these problems and verify the correctness of the results using the simulation.